one by one. Okay, wahid. Is the hair good or no? Do like this if good? Do like this if no? Good? Okay, now, how about the ears? Good or no? Good. How about the nose? Good. How about, look at the eyes. Is the eyes good or no? Huh?
Oh, the ice is moving, guys!
Look at the eyes. Is the eyes good or no?
Oh!
What happened? What happened to the eyes? What's happening? Look at the eyes. Is the eyes good or no? Huh? What happening to the eyes? It's moving? Really? Ah, maybe he is alive. Okay? If you see the eyes will move, just shout, ah, like this, okay? No, it's not moving. See? It will not move. Is the eyes moving?
Yeah!
Hey, your eyes moving? No, it's only a drawing. Are you sure the eyes is moving?
Yeah!
Hey, are you alive? No, it will not move. See? Is the eyes moving? Really? Okay, maybe he is alive. Everybody, I want you to say, everybody, let's say, hi!
Hi!
Hello! He is alive. Okay, everybody, I want you to meet my friend. Okay, this is my friend. Best friend? Yes. You need to tell your name, okay? Okay. Your name is? I forgot. You forgot your name? Okay, now, you need to concentrate and you need to remember your name, okay? Okay. Now, ready? Concentrate. Okay. Concentrate. Okay. Your name is? Concentrate. No, not concentrate. It's okay to concentrate, but your name is not concentrate. Your name is Cookie. Everybody say, hi, Cookie. Hello. Cookie. Okay? Now, you need to say, my name. Very good. Is? Very good. Your name is? Very good. No, not very good. I told you you are very good, but your name is not very good. Your name is Cookie. Everybody, let's say, hi, Cookie. Okay. You need to say, my name is Cookie. You are Cookie? No, I am not Cookie. You are Cookie. Say, my name is Cookie. My name is Cookie. What is my name? Ugly. I'm ugly, are you sure? Yeah. Okay, I will erase your face. I'm ugly, yes or no? No. Okay. Okay, now, everybody, see. Cookie, we have a lot of friends here, right? See? They are eating popcorn, right? Yeah. Okay? We are here in McDonald's. No, not McDonald's. They are eating, but we are not in McDonald's, okay? Okay. We are here in KFC. No, not KFC. Okay, we are here in the school. We are here to let the kids have fun with us, right? Yeah. Okay, now, Cookie, I have a question for you. Yes, what is it? How old are you now? 100. Okay, so oh, 100. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Cookie, when you grow up, what do you want to be? You want to become? 101. Of course, you're 100. When you grow up, you will become 101. Sino handa? Okay, now, yeah. Cookie, what is your... See, all the kids are eating popcorn, okay? So, Cookie, what is your favorite food? I love. Oh, you love? I love. Yes. You love? I love you. You love me? I told you. What is your favorite food? You. Me? You will eat me? Yes. Why you will eat me? Because? Yes, because? You're so big. I'm so big? That's why you will eat me? No, not like that. What is your favorite food? Chicken. Oh, chicken. Who eats chicken here? Who eats chicken? Wow, all the kids eat chicken. Cookie, what kind of chicken do you eat? Chicken? Yes, chicken. Chicken? Chicken what? Chicken biryani. Chicken biryani? biryani? Do you eat chicken biryani? Okay. Now, what other chicken do you eat? Chicken? Yes, chicken. Nuggets. Chicken nuggets. You eat chicken nuggets? Okay. Now, Cookie. We will ask them first. Okay. Who can eat here 4 pieces nuggets? Who eat 4 pieces? Very good. How about 6 pieces nuggets? Very good. How about 9 pieces nuggets? Okay, all the kids. Okay, now, Cookie, how many nuggets can you eat? 1,000. 1,000. Cookie, you will become very fat if you eat too much nuggets, right? Yeah. Okay, now, Cookie, do you know how to sing? Yes. Everybody clap your hands for Cookie. Okay, now, we will sing together with Cookie. Okay? You know Twinkle Twinkle